Tatan, can you please get the door?
Delivery po.
Mommy, what's that?
It's something I got for the family so we can watch all our favorite shows together. Do you wanna open it with me?
Okay.
Alright. Be careful, ah.
Like this. Roku-powered
Tvolution.
What's this?
Well, what you do is you connect this to the TV and then we can stream everything we want to watch.
Wow, that's so cool.
I know! Are you ready?
Yeah. First, connect the HDMI cable to your Roku-powered Tvolution box and TV.
Done!
Next, attach the power adapter to the box and plug it in.
Plugged.
Third, make sure that the batteries are inserted correctly.
Okay?
Lastly, connect to your PLDT home Wi-Fi.
Done! Okay, Tatan, where do we start?
They have all these?
They really have everything. And over 100 more free channels.
It makes me hungry.
Do you want to make that for merienda?
Yes.
I really love Roku-powered Tvolution because it's got everything in one device for the TV. Kaya ngayon, mas marami ng dahilan para umuwi ng maaga ang pamilya ko so we can bond together while watching our favorite movies and TV shows. Best decision ever talaga. That's TV with the power of PLDT Home Fiber. Tatan, can I borrow the remote? I'll get the remote na lang.